Hello everyone, how are you? I don't know how you are, but an amazing video is going to start. I think you will be surprised by seeing this video. So let's not talk anymore. Let's start the video and see the magic of editing. So viewers, this is a picture I'm going to edit, but this is looking good now, but I have to make it blur. So I am opening picture to blur it. This is picture. Just wait, and I'm skipping the ads and allowing them to access my file and selecting the picture, all photos, and this is picture cross. The picture is now selected, and let's make it blur. Going to effects and then blur, and then click on blur, and then reducing the blur effects. This okay, no problem, 7 is okay, and this is the before and this is after. So this is too much blur now. I'm saving the picture, clicking here and downloading this picture. Okay, it saves in my gallery, and now I'm going to show you the magic of editing. Okay, let's see my picture how it's now. This is the before and this is the after, and I'm going to make this picture to this to this. Okay, and what to do now? Go to Play Store and search there Remini. Okay, Remini photo enhancer. Just download it. You will find the link under the description box and open it. And listen, you have to sign up here. I will make a video how to sign up there. Check the description box, you will find the link there. Okay, what to do now? Clicking on enhance and selecting my photos. This is the blur photos, this is the actual photo. So I'm selecting the blurred photos. This is blur now. So click on sign, and they are creating tasks. Ads will appear here, no problem. We will see that. Reward in 2 seconds. Wait until the ad is complete. Okay, no problem. Our ad is complete. Now click on cross. Task created. It's loading. Now let's see how it works. Oh my goodness, it's too much good now. This is after and this is before. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's zoom it. It was our pictures and it is now this. How it's happening, my goodness, it's really good. In this way you can make your blurred picture to a real picture. And let's see, let's save it. Click on the download icon, and the picture is saved in your gallery. And let's see the difference of actual picture and the after picture. This is after what we did by the software, and this is the before picture. There is no the picture is this is the real picture, and this is blur, and this is the after picture. Two are really same, but its quality is reduced, but no problem. We find the picture from here to here. Really amazing. If you think this video is helpful for you, please subscribe my channel and share this video to your friends. Thank you. Goodbye.